You think infrastructure spending is waste. It's just doing the job so quietly you don't notice it. We've been trained to celebrate ribbon cuttings. But what about the 10,000 hours of paperwork that kept the bridge from collapsing in 2004? Federal funding doesn't just appear. It gets routed through a bureaucratic obstacle course. Every dollar gets audited, vetted, and stress-tested. You call it red tape. I call it a shock absorber for bad ideas. Project approval takes years because it has to. Environmental reviews, historical surveys, local zoning wars. Skip a step and you're building on a wetland or a historic burial ground. The delay isn't incompetence. It's a system designed to catch mistakes before they become monuments. Here's the glitch in your perception. We fund maintenance, not just shiny new tunnels. Fixing a corroded water pipe in 1998 doesn't make tick-tock, but it stops a neighborhood from drinking rust. Bureaucracy prefers the pipe. You prefer the parade. Let's talk incentive structures. If we cut the approval chain, who gets the contracts? Your cousin's LLC? The process is literally a bouncer at the door of taxpayer money. It's slow, it's annoying, and it keeps the grift out. Call it sluggish. I call it functional, but wait. We solved corruption. Now we hit demographic velocity. Cities grow. Roads shrink. The federal map hasn't updated since 1995. You want faster permits. You need faster zoning reform. The bottleneck isn't Washington, it's local land use. Legislative friction is just democracy doing push-ups. Bills get amended, committees debate, senators add bridges to roads. It looks like chaos. It's actually compromise in motion. You want speed. Try passing a law that doesn't accidentally bankrupt a rural county. Then comes enforcement latency. A bridge gets built. It needs inspectors. Inspectors need certifications. Certifications take time. Rush it and you get a bridge that looks fine until the first heavy truck. Patience isn't a bug, it's the load-bearing wall. We missed the era when everything was built fast. But fast meant shortcuts, and shortcuts mean collapses. The quiet work of compliance is the reason you can drive to work without falling into a sinkhole. It's not glamorous, it's just civilization running on autopilot. If you think cutting red tape means faster infrastructure, you're just experiencing a skill issue. Real reform isn't about deleting steps, it's about digitizing them. Automating the boring stuff so engineers can actually engineer. Stop blaming the filter. Blame the design. So next time you see a delayed project, don't rage. Ask who's reviewing it. Ask what it's preventing. The system isn't broken. It's just doing the heavy lifting in the dark. Drop your take in the comments. Are we optimizing bureaucracy or just protecting inefficiency? Infrastructure isn't a spectacle. It's a promise. And promises take paperwork. Subscribe if you want more unglamorous truths. I'll see you in the next bottleneck.